Hi, I'm Miss Kennell. I'm subject lead for product design, and I'll be your teacher from year 10 all the way through to year 13. From electronics to furniture to clothing, this STEM subject can take you anywhere. Okay, whether it's in the media, design, arts and crafts, skilled trades, engineering, as well as retail. So in year 10, it's basically getting you ready for year 11. Okay, so product design is not just woodwork. We look at loads of different materials, whether it's metals, polymers or plastics, a little bit of textiles. We look at surface finishes. We look at how things go together, how things go apart. We look at electronic systems. We look at drawing techniques, as well as not just freehand, but on the computer as well. You get to learn how to use 2D design, as well as something like SolidWorks, where you can see all aspects of a model. During year 10, it's going to be half theory, where yes, you'll learn about those sort of things like in theory, but we also do workshops where you can practice, where you can test things out, so you know what works well and what doesn't, what goes together, what doesn't. The projects that we do in year 10, okay, we do quite a few. The first one we start off with will be like a wooden joint project, similar to what you did in year 9. But we'll take it one step further, we'll add some like acrylic plastic, maybe some engraving using a laser cutter. We do a little mini metal project, so whether it's a piece of jewellery, a spinning top, we're going to try and do a pewter project, but that might not be until year 11. We've done projects with concrete, we've done projects with wood, of course, we still use wood, that is our specialty, but we try and use as many different materials so you can see what's out there. We do little workshops, like I said, on like surface materials, so we'll do this whole thing where we've got like 6 different paints, or oils or wood stains, and you can just see how every different thing looks on different types of materials. We use smart materials, okay, so these are materials that change due to an external stimulus, and you can make like a tea towel or a t-shirt, and last year we did a hat. In year 10, we're hoping to go to the New Designers exhibition, where you get to see other product designers, their work and their designs. In year 11, it's all about developing those skills that you've learned in year 10 and using them to create a product, okay? You can create whatever product you want in your mind. This year, I've got people making tables, a pool table, dog bowl holders, you name it, okay? You use your skills that you've learned in year 10 to create a product in year 11. For example, some of the products that my current year 11s are doing, tables, pinball machine, photo frame holders, shelving, desks, dog bowl holders, and a zoomorphic lamp.
I'm Aldini and I do product design in year 11. So like in year 10 product design, you learn lots of new skills such as CAD and CAM, which is computer aided manufacture and computer aided design. You learn lots of new skills to like design and develop things on computers, and also like make it in school. For example, a few weeks ago I made this phone stand, and then I also made a picture frame holder, which is all made out of wood. What I realized was my phone holder, when I took it home, the speaker, you couldn't hear the speakers, so I got the chance to develop it again and make it so it can work perfectly fine. So with product design, I believe that in the future I want to be a businessman, and I believe that product design will help me a lot with that, because I can learn how to develop and make my products, and then I'll also learn about my client's needs and what my client wants, and I can make it perfectly for what the people want.
Jobs related to the subject would be anywhere from like a CAD technician, graphic designer, materials engineer, automotive engineer, or a furniture designer. But the list doesn't end there. Anything is possible with product design.